Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create folders in app screen. If you're using Samsung S26 Ultra and you want to create apps folder in your app screen or your app drawer, so let's see how you can do that. So the very first thing, you just have to keep a long press on any app in your app screen, then click select. Once I've clicked on select, you have to select multiple apps you want to add in a single folder. Once you have selected, just click on this create folder option over here. Click on it. All your apps will be moved into a folder and your folder will be moved in top one. So once you have created the folder, click on your folder to open it. Click on folder name, and here you have to add a name for your folder. So let's say I'm gonna enter this one. Once you have done this, click on an empty place, click on again, and your folder is now ready. So in this way, you can easily create multiple app folders in your app screen. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.